Good morning, manatees. Welcome to Science Lab with Ms. Batten. Well, we've made it to the final week of classes. Congratulations! Summer vacation is right around the corner. Yay! But right before we get there, we have our final experiment. This is a request that's been made throughout the year, so I hope you enjoy. This experiment is a little bit complicated, so do not do this at home. This is only for you to watch on the video. But it will help you remember some of the things that we learned earlier in the year. We will be combining some different substances and make what we call a chemical reaction. For those of you who are in 5th grade, you will be going on to learn more about chemistry very soon in middle school. You will learn about chemical reactions, how things react with each other, different substances react with each other on a chemical level. So, watch the big show and enjoy. All right, mystery ingredient number 1 is in the bottle. Just give it a good shake there. And mystery ingredient number 2 is ready to be poured, so let's do it. Here it comes. Woo, and it's coming out. And we have our elephant toothpaste. It even has red and blue stripes and a little bit of a green stripe there. All right, there you have it, elephant toothpaste. Wow, wasn't that spectacular? I really hope you enjoyed the show this week. And remember, keep observing, measuring, and using your tools all summer long. Write everything down in a science journal. And you too can be a scientist when you grow up. Have a great summer, and we'll see you next year. Bye.